Hello everybody! Today I'm going to make a review from the Fifine AmpliGame A6 microphone. And I'm also going to compare my current microphone, Shure SM7B. And they have a very big difference with the price. But how big difference by the microphones itself? We are going to find out today. This we are going to unbox today. We are going to check everything about this microphone, and I'm going to give my own review about that, and also we are going to check the price. I'm very excited, so let's get into it. So let's open this. So there's a user's guide, wires, microphone. Ooh, interesting. So there's the volume, I guess. There's the filter. This is very good. Okay, so what do we have here? We have the microphone, we have the standing with the leg, pop filter, and the wire. So, and the other side here, this we put the standing. Like this. And then this microphone from here, we put this one here, and we can actually put this a little bit more down, so we have more space, because this one will lock this microphone. So we just check that when we have put this one in, we roll it few times, just couple of times, to make sure it's going to stay here. Now that it's still a little bit loose, we are going to lock this microphone with this. So we want to have that the leg is like here, this side. Doesn't move anymore. Moves only because of these motion shocks. So it's not going to be any other extra voices when you talk. So now we are going to put this pop-up filter. Hello! And as you can see, we can lock this microphone. So I believe we can first we can just lock it like now this. Just to let it stay now like this. Even if we are going to change it, we still can let it be like this for now. And now this filter, there is a place for this, like as you can see here and here. So we're going to put this very easily. Ta-dam! Okay, and now we can, if we want, now we can adjust this a little bit more. We can like put it a little bit up. We can change it as we feel like it. Okay, and now the final thing. We put the USB, other side, obviously, onto the computer. And the USB-C we put on the back side of the microphone here. Pa-dam! And now we got the nice RGB light. I think it's just going to change automatically the colors time to time. And when you put the microphone muted, you need to press here. So when I press one time from the middle, it goes off. And when I press it again, it goes on. And I saw that if you try to press it on the sides, so you need to remember that it's going to be in the middle. If you accidentally don't make it happen. So just remember to press it on the center. So it's going to work. So now it's muted. And now it's going to be again on. So every time there is a light, RGB on, then the microphone is on. I'm really excited to see how the shock mount works. Like, is there going to be any tremble or anything? What effects while you talk? And I'm very excited also about the volume. So the volume you can find from the below. As you can see, there are different levels. And there's going to be, you see when it's going to be already maxed. You cannot pull it any longer. And when it's again on the other side, you can feel that too. So you just need to test it out. Which voice works for you the best? So I guess I'm going to start from close to middle. and then we are going to change the settings as we are going to use it now. Okay, so now I'm going to change my SM7B off, and we are going to test which are the differences already. That's going to be exciting. Hello! We are also today going to compare this microphone to this microphone. And there's a very big gap between these two microphones. And I'm going to tell you the prices at the end of this video.
Actually, wow! It's actually good. I don't want to say it's better than my Shure. Let's try now how it works like really. If there's going to be like, I think already it looks like it's pretty high. So let's try to change the settings with that. So let's try to move this. Let's try to move this microphone a little bit. Like if there's going to be any like bumping or anything else voices when I talk like this. Hello, hello. Are you going to be okay, Mike? Looks like it. Okay, so everything is so far very simple. Very simple. Looks like it's working. I don't know why I'm touching this because this microphone is muted. Unfortunately, we couldn't test this standing because it doesn't have enough weight. Doesn't have enough weight to hold this thing down because the Shure is so heavy that the balance of this standing what I have, it just goes up if I put this other microphone there. But it's an option. It can be added there, which is very good. But just need to figure it out what I can put extra weight to the microphone to be able to hold it on the standing. But the standing with the microphone is already good. Like as you can see, I can still talk pretty easily, even if it's this far away. And my volume is still like not even the highest. So I'm positive. So let's see how it works in the games. Let's try that. So let's put our gaming set on. Okay, let's try. Okay, now we have put some filters on, and now we are going to first test with only this microphone. In the middle of the game, we are going to change into Shure SM7B and see the difference. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Microphone. Repel the ghost with a smudge stick while it's chasing someone. Capture photo of the ghost. Let's go. Anybody home? Ah, we have already the fuse box on. Okay, there's lights on here. Where are you, ghosty? So it seems you are here. Let's go take the spirit box. Let's try to talk with the ghost. So we see that the microphone is going to really react on that. Where are you? Are you close? Are you friendly? Are you here? Are you close? Where are you? Are you friendly? Okay, so it definitely reacts on the microphone. That's very good. So we already got 2 evidences because of that. Ghost writing is also there. There's already the book there. But yeah. Let's change the microphone now. Okay. So now we have the Shure microphone on. Changing for the broadcast here. So now we can test the speaking again for the ghost. Was there ghost writing? Not yet. Can check the UV. Ghost, can you give us a sign? Where are you? Are you here? Are you close? Are you friendly? Okay, so he's here. So there might be a big chance that it's a Moroi. But hey, thank you so much for listening this. And let's go take our last review and compare these 2 microphones. How they really... What was the changes? How big change between they have? It's still not maybe Moroi. But I guess. I played this a little bit. I could guess it's a Moroi. Let's go take the final conclusion of these microphones. So what are my thoughts about the Fifine AmpliGame A6? I would say it is very good compared to its price. It has a clear voice and
even if you don't put that many filters or settings in the PC, you can still pretty much change the volume mechanically from the microphone itself. Price, it's good. It cost only like 50 euros. Because like when I was comparing in this video the game with the Shure SM7B, which cost almost like 400 euros. So the difference is big. And also the quality is different, obviously. But I would say if you don't have afford much at this moment for the microphone, this will be yours to take. I would say that the price is very, very good for this microphone because it has the filter already in it. You have actually everything ready for streaming or doing podcasts or something else, which I don't know yet. But I need to give a good review for this. But hey, if you are considering buying your first microphone, I leave product links of this AmpliGaming product links in the description. And if you have this microphone or you consider buying it or you already have bought this microphone, please let me know in the comments so we can share also the feedback for others as well. Because this is only my opinion in this video. So thank you so much, Fifine, for letting me make a review for this microphone. I was really excited for making this. And I'm very happy about this. I'm very happy to make this video. It was fun to make. And it was very nice to see the comparison also for the Shure SM7B. And it's really nice to see how much the 50 euro microphone can still be that good compared almost 400 euros microphone. So thank you everybody who were watching this video. I hope this helped you find out a chance to buy some cheaper microphone which could help you to stream or doing podcasts at the beginning. And I hope I see you also on the next video. Until then, bye bye.